Nolinor Aviation is a small private company who operate 737 all over Canada. The challenge that we have is that we have to face a location where there's a lack of communication, lack of facility, and we have to rely on the aircraft itself to communicate, and this is the reason why we have the SkyTrack system on board. SkyTrack monitors multiple parameters. We have altitude, the airspeed, we have all the gears, flaps, even the engines, the EGTs, the N2 information. So we are capable of monitoring a flight from A to B with every aspect of the aircraft.
The SkyTrack system allows us to do two things. The first thing, we get real-time information for flight tracking.
Remote operators like Nolinor, they require accurate information about their aircraft, no matter where they are on the globe. SkyTrack has a history of 20 to 30 years of providing mission-critical communications and reliable flight tracking to customers and operators like Nolinor.
The second thing that it allows to do is the whole flight data monitoring.
SkyTrack has been doing real-time flight data monitoring and maintenance alerts and safety alerts for many years now. On the maintenance alerts, we provide value in providing insight into component failures, real-time engine and airframe exceedances, and this provides the operator with great efficiency.
The maintenance will allocate the resource at destination, so they get prepared with the work card, with the inspection that we need to do on the engine to save time for the turnaround.
The real-time safety alerts what we do are important because we cover all the GADS ED237 events, but on top of that, the abnormal type operations as well. After an ED237 trigger, we can also stream the data off the aircraft immediately, and they can analyze their data in real time about what's happening with their flight.
So in case of a serious event during our operation, perhaps aircraft upset during a cruise, that would notify the flight dispatcher on duty that something happened. There will be immediate notification and the data would be recorded. After that, we would be able to review the whole data and the whole flight to try to understand what actually happened to that flight, or what are the factors that came into effect to actually bring this outcome.
Nolinor has been using a SkyTrack system on board the aircraft since 2008 while we were sending an aircraft in Africa. And I know that the maintenance, they really like the SkyTrack hardware because it's easy to install and remove from the aircraft. And the configuration is very user-friendly and reliable. For the fleet that we operate, it's very valuable because we are having a modern type of analyzing of the data with older generation aircraft, which is very important for us because we can keep current with the current regulation and new requirements.